Once upon a time, inside your body, a tired little red blood cell was struggling to carry oxygen to your brain. "I can't do this anymore," it huffed, "we need more iron reinforcements." Suddenly, a magical potion appeared, rich in iron and bursting with flavor. And guess what? You're about to meet 9 of them that could save the day. Let's dive into these super drinks that'll make your hemoglobin levels feel like they've won the Iron Throne. Carrot and orange juice. Combining carrot's high vitamin A content with the vitamin C from oranges helps improve iron absorption, promoting hemoglobin synthesis. Pomegranate juice. Packed with iron, calcium, and protein, pomegranate juice is highly effective for boosting hemoglobin and improving overall blood flow. Spinach smoothie. Blend spinach with fruits like apples or bananas for an iron-rich smoothie. Spinach is high in iron and folic acid, which supports hemoglobin production. Beetroot juice. Rich in iron, folate, and vitamin C. Beetroot juice aids in the production of red blood cells, helping increase hemoglobin levels quickly. Prune juice is rich in iron, vitamin C, and B vitamins, making it effective for treating anemia and supporting red blood cell production. Date and milk shake. Dates are iron-rich and combined with milk's calcium content, making a nutritious drink to enhance hemoglobin production. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is packed with iron and vitamin C, which can stimulate hemoglobin levels. Its high water content also aids in better circulation. Amla juice. Amla juice is a great source of vitamin C, which aids in iron absorption. Drink it daily for a quick boost in hemoglobin levels. Apple and beet juice. Apples and beets are both iron-rich and, when combined, make a powerful hemoglobin-boosting drink that also supports immune health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. See you next time.